Starting off, we have one of the most incredible tools that makes life easier for motorbike owners and showroom owners. Dynamoto aims to revolutionize motorcycle stands as they're designed to provide exceptional stability, convenience, and ease of use, making them an ideal tool for parking and storing bikes. Designed and manufactured in Australia, the company offers worldwide shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. One of the standout features of Dynamoto stands is its patented wheel-mounted system. This system allows users to move and position their motorcycle with minimal effort effortlessly. By simply rolling the motorcycle into the stand, the wheels of the stand securely grip the motorcycle's wheels, providing a stable and secure hold. With their multi-directional wheels, the owners can park their bikes in the tightest of spaces. Imagine how great a tool this can be for a showroom owner. We have some futuristic tools that redefine innovation in the video later that are bliss for any DIY enthusiast or professional. This compact and versatile measuring tool is something you'll never have seen before. Rollby's unique design allows for precise measurements in straight lines and curves, making it a convenient and accurate tool for various applications. Rollby can be easily kept in your wallet or pocket, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The company's launched two versions of 4 inches for normal use and an 8-inch one for more professional use. The engraved markings provide an accurate measurement of the distance covered. The markings are in metric and imperial units, making a ticking sound each time it crosses the marker. Simply place the bullet start mark on the starting point of the surface or line you want to measure. Then roll and count full rotations by following the start mark or the sound of the click. This will surely be a tool in every DIY lover's pocket. Its price stands at $16. Working on the roof can be dangerous, and various accidents always happen. The next tool will likely end accidents, making it a roofer's favorite. This remarkable tool increases the safety of roofers working on the roofs while increasing productivity and reducing fatigue. The pitch hopper's superior grip surface is a key element of its design. It utilizes friction force to ensure that it stays securely in place during use. This feature offers stability and reduces the risk of slips or accidents while working on the roof. The hopper has 2 sides, each designed for different roof slopes from 45 degrees to lower angles. It's available in 24 and 32-inch widths and weighs 4 kilograms. The pitch hopper can support a weight of 125 kilograms, courtesy of its special foam on the bottom, which bonds with the asphalt roof. A 32-inch version of the pitch hopper costs $472. Do you regularly work with metal sheets? Then you would love the next tool on our list. This specialized tool is ideal for bending and shaping various types of metals. Its design has a bending arm or blade that can be adjusted to different angles and positions, allowing for precise and repeatable bends. The Wuko bender can handle various metals like copper, aluminum, and stainless steel. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly features make bending faster and easier, reducing the time and effort required to achieve desired bends. This simple design requires no training and can be used by amateurs and professionals alike, making it the best metal shaping tool you can have. The price of this tool starts from $425. Now check out this one-of-a-kind technological tool that can be ideal for professionals. The Klein Tools Thermal Imager is designed to help professionals in various industries accurately detect and visualize heat patterns. It's a valuable tool for electrical, HVAC, plumbing, and building inspection applications. This portable camera connects to your smartphone and lets you detect temperatures ranging from -4 to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. With a resolution of over 10,000 pixels, this imager provides high and low temperature points, crosshairs to pinpoint specific temperatures, and options for temperature alarms. The device has no battery and needs no cables or display screen, as the smartphone takes care of everything. The price of this unique tool starts from $250. We also have an amazing tool for gardeners out there. Make sure to stay till the end to see the revolutionary technology. The lever is one of Camo's most special tools, allowing you to build a deck yourself. It's strong enough to straighten any warped board, from unruly pressure-treated wood to dense hardwood. It offers faster installation as it speeds up the groove deck installations. It takes seconds to securely adjust the wood and move on to the next one. It offers lock-in rows of boards and clips to fasten the boards quickly. This feature ensures a secure and stable connection between the deck boards and the underlying structure. promoting a stronger and longer-lasting deck. The tool adjusts to single, double, and metal joists for maximum job site versatility. This tool is versatile because it works with any deck board and is incredibly easy to use, meaning a single person can build an entire deck on his own. Any DIY enthusiast or professional worker would know the strain and pain when you're working on your knees. Well, our next tool completely solves that problem. Knee blades are a specialized tool designed to provide comfort and mobility while working on your knees. They can be used in various industries, such as construction, installing flooring, gardening, and other tasks requiring prolonged kneeling or crawling. The wheels at the bottom allow users to move smoothly and effortlessly while protecting their knees from strain or injury. The design of knee blades helps to distribute the body weight evenly, reducing the pressure on the knees and providing a more comfortable working experience. They can be used indoors or outdoors on concrete, tile, carpet, or grass surfaces. Say no more to stress and fatigue, as now you can work for long hours in comfort. We have some more efficient tools coming up that will make sure you never have back pain or strain while lifting heavy objects. The quad saw is an innovative power tool designed to cut square or rectangular holes in various materials, including drywall, plasterboard, plywood, and other construction materials. It's a versatile tool that offers precision and efficiency in creating openings for electrical outlets, switch boxes, and other fixtures. Quad saw is special for two main reasons. The speed at which it cuts square holes is 4 times faster than a normal saw. Besides this, the quad saw reduces the release of hazardous dust when cutting square holes. It also has a dust extractor, which helps clean the dust quicker than any other tool. Using the quad saw is generally straightforward. It's usually compatible with most standard power drills, attaching easily to the drill chuck. Now we're down to the top 5 amazing tools. Watch until the end, as we've been saving the best for last. This professional digital tape measure is the only measuring tape you'll ever need. The tape measure includes a laser line projection feature, which projects a laser line onto surfaces, helping to guide and align measurements accurately. With tons of features, T1 Tomahawk is the ideal tape measure to own by any professional out there. The tape measure incorporates a live view OLED display, digitally showing English and metric unit measurements. It's designed to work seamlessly with a connected measuring mobile app. This integration allows you to transfer measurements wirelessly to your mobile device, enabling you to store, organize, and analyze measurements conveniently. So would you like to own a robust measuring tape like the T1? It costs $229. Let's add some robotics to the list, as this innovative robot can climb straight walls. This is a unique wall-climbing robot started by a British company, Housebots. The robot has a payload capacity of 6 kilograms, allowing it to carry equipment and tools necessary for tasks such as painting, HD visual inspection, and building and infrastructure surveys. The robot can climb vertical walls and even uneven walls with bumps. The robot clings to any surface wall thanks to its 2 electric fans, which draw air underneath it, creating a downward force that helps it stay intact. The robot typically has a range of 30 meters from the ground and can overcome surface obstacles up to 12 millimeters in height, including welds, rivets, and wires. The drill-powered cultivator is a gardening tool that utilizes the power of a drill to help with soil cultivation and preparation. It's designed to attach to a standard handheld drill, transforming the drill's rotational motion into the movement of tines or blades that break up the soil, mix amendments, and prepare the ground for planting. Ideal for gardeners, this cultivator only weighs 3.5 kilograms and uses a drill that can be charged. Moreover, utilizing a drill-powered cultivator eliminates the need for purchasing and maintaining separate, dedicated power cultivators, saving you loads of money. Next, we have one of the simplest and easiest ways to lift heavy objects, even through stairs. Moving washing machines, refrigerators, and furniture wasn't this much easier than ever. As with this stair-climbing dolly, you can easily transport these bulky items without anyone's support. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, multiple models have been launched which can lift weights ranging from 370 to 550 pounds. Depending on your preference and use, you can also vary the speed from 24 to 34 steps per minute. The dolly is easy to move and maneuver, and its ergonomic handle ensures no stress or fatigue while moving it. If you're planning to move or want to repair your refrigerator, this is how you go forward. However, the price range starts from $1,799. Coming down to the last spot, we have a tool that prints stuff like you've never seen before. View printing as you've never seen before. Imagine printing on any surface you want with a portable gun. Isn't that exciting? EBS 260 allows you to put labels and stickers over materials that are quite hard to paint, like concrete, stone, and wood. It also takes over the old stencil printing technology, as you just have to move the printer sideways over the surface you're printing on. In multiple print lines, it can print large stenciling characters up to 2.20 inches in height. The EBS 260 handjet printer has a built-in touchscreen and connects to Wi-Fi networks. The printer is mobile, handy, and easy to operate. It comes complete with its own software and weighs approximately 2.5 pounds. The ink cartridge has a capacity of 200,000 characters and can be refilled easily. The only problem is its high price, which stands at $5,600.